Welcome back, my dear students. So hopefully you guys got this cover and you created your dynamic data already. If not, don't worry. I got this cover for you. Let's do it. So let's go and to the admin layouts right here, and let's find out where our page actually starts with, like, we want our content to be down here. So we need to look for this blank title somewhere, right? Oh, there we go. So we had this blank title. I'm going to do Control K just to delete the whole line there. And this is what we want our variable body here to be, our dynamic content. There we go. Great. And we can leave this for like title variable later on if we want to include like a separate variable for every um, what you call it. Actually, I'm just going to take that off. All right, so I'm gonna refresh here, and of course we don't have anything. Why don't we create like a dashboard type of page here, right? For everything that has to do with settings or anything for application. Maybe later on we want some functionalities here that when we press a button, it affects the whole application, right? Some type of settings page, or maybe stats or something. So let's create this route dashboard. And I think we already had it, but I took it off. My bad. My bad. Okay, let's go ahead and create that. I'm just gonna copy and paste that in there. I'm just gonna do dashboard, and we need to create that view, right? So let's go to our view admin, and then inside here, I'm gonna right click, and I'm not going to use the manual version. I'm just gonna do my templates. But remember that you need to type in dot handlebars all the time. That dashboard dot handlebars, okay? I'm just gonna put a little um, H1 there, and I'm gonna say dashboard like that. Let's go back here, and let's also go to admin layouts. And what else can we do? Well, it does have a navigation here. I wonder this navigation is a big navigation here. It does have two navigations, I see. This has the fetch top navigation. So it does have, it looks like it has this top navigation here and does have this one. Okay. Let's figure this out. Right, so what I want to do is I want to look for the side navigation, and let's do a command F or control F here to look for side nav or something like that. Side nav, like that. Let's see if that's the only one there. Toggler, I don't want to look for a toggler. I want to look for like a main type of navigation title or something. There we go. This is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this minus here. But if you don't have this functionality on your editor, make sure that you look for the where this UL ends, okay? And I'm going to take this, okay? I'm going to comment this. I'm just going to say sign nav here, okay? Like that. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to create the partial real quick. So greater than symbol, admin, and then it's going to be admin side nav or something like that. Let's go ahead and create this. Partials, admin, and inside here, I'm going to create a file called admin side nav, like that. And I'm going to paste that in there, and I'm going to expand it. I don't have to expand it, but I like to do that so you can see what I'm doing, right? Let's go to admin.handlebars. We got that included there. Hopefully it's working. I don't have to do anything else. I'm gonna refresh. As you can see, everything looks like it's working. So we're breaking this up, okay? Um, what else do we need? Do we need to, what else do we have? The side toggler here. Let's bring that down. And, well, let's figure out where, well, I'm gonna leave this like this because this is just the top navigation. If you want to, you could take the top navigation out, okay? But I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, guys, okay? Let's not complicate ourselves. Maybe later on, if you want it separate, you could do that, okay? Let's go to the side nav here, and on the dashboard, let's just make sure that this goes to the dashboard. So admin/admin dashboard, like that. Okay, let's refresh. And you know what? We need some type of link that goes to homepage as well. Let's make that, this is in the top navigation, right? So let's go back to the admin.handlebars inside the layouts, and where it says start bootstrap, I want this to go to the home page. Okay, I'm gonna say home page. Refresh that home page. Oops, our home page. Oh, one thing to keep in mind that now our home page is actually inheriting our default layouts. So we need to be more specific when we are doing the routes, because it's inheriting our admin layout. So let's go to routes real quick. Let's copy. This is the admin routes index.js. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna take it to the home routes index.js. I'm gonna paste that in here. And now we need to be specific about what we want. Okay, it was just overwriting it. Now let's go back and refresh, and now you can see I refreshed twice. Okay, that works. And then admin here, that works, right? Different layouts, homepage. Let's put a link here somewhere so it goes to admin as well. So let's close all this and let's see where we are. Let's go to views, layouts, and home, partials, navigation, home. Oops, sorry about that, guys. So inside partials is where we need to go, and inside the partials we have what in the world happened. We have this home navigation there, which there we go. Sorry about that, guys. My mouse was not working 100%. I'm just gonna put this admin here real quick. We're gonna hide this later on depending on where you are logged in or logged out, so don't worry about that. Admin. Okay, let's refresh. We have this link here. We can go to admin and we can go to the home page. Great. And dashboard. Look at that. Everything is working. Now, guys, take your time. I know this could get a little overwhelmed, and the reason why you see me doing this so easily is because I've done it so many times. I built so many different apps using Node.js that it's just very easy for me. Okay? But keep practicing. Go rewind the video. Make sure you get this 100% before you move to the next section. If this is not working for you, make sure that you are exporting it, and make sure that you are loading it up here and then using it down here. Okay? Make sure you don't have any other routes here, and make sure your server is running. Okay? Remember that mine is running automatically doing node-man, and I can do Control-C, turn that off, and then I go clear and I do node-man again, app, tab key, enter, and now it's running. All right, if that's not running, you are going to have some type of error. So I just gave you a couple tips to debug your application if it's not working. If it's not working for some reason, please post that in the discussion and we will help you. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your day, or see you in the next lecture, guys. Take care. Bye bye.